Hello students, now let us see the non-communicable diseases here, which is also called as the non-infectious disease here. As you have studied the acquired disease, in the acquired disease we have seen that is the communicable disease. In the communicable disease we have seen the contagious and the non-contagious disease. Okay, now further in the acquired disease only we are going to have a non-communicable disease here. Okay, so such a diseases that is a non-communicable diseases remains confined. Okay, it is confined to a person who developed them and does not spread to the others here. Particularly those persons who get that is the disease will be to that person only. It is the confined to the person who does not spread to the another person here or the healthy person here. So because of which we call it as a non-communicable disease here. So such a diseases, they can be caused by the agent but other than the pathogens here. Okay, so already with the communicable diseases we have seen, though that is they are infectious diseases, they are spread from the parasite, that is the pathogens here. Okay, but here they are not communicable, they are not communicable here, because of which they are also caused by some other agents here, some other substance here. Okay, but not the pathogen, remember. So in that we are going to see one by one, step by step, the deficiency diseases. Okay, here but particularly the caused by the agent, that is the main concept, and those agent may be the deficiency. Okay, it is the disease is caused due to the deficiency. As we have seen in the endocrine system, many of the diseases that may be due to the hypersecretion or the hyposecretion. We have seen the diseases like that one where there is a deficiency of a protein, there is a Kwashiorkor, beriberi disease, goiter disease, diabetes disease. So we have seen such a diseases are that is a deficiency diseases which come under the non-communicable diseases here. Whereas organic or a degenerative diseases here, organic or degenerative diseases here. So such a diseases, they are caused that may be due to the aged peoples. Okay, so the functioning becomes not effective as in the younger stage. So because of which we call it as diseases like cardiovascular diseases and the brain diseases. Okay, so such a diseases are the organic diseases. Allergy, you all know that. So we are some of the persons which are hypersensitive to some of the substances present in the environment. Okay, so that will be lead to the allergy. So one such disease is the rhinitis. Addictions, yes, you know that there are the individuals which get addicted to some of the substances like tobacco, alcohol, drugs. So that leads to a disease called as a liver cirrhosis. Mental disorder, once again neurosis, schizophrenia, and the cirrhosis. Whereas a cancer is most important one. So you know that there is uncontrolled growth of a cells in the body. So that lead to a disease called as a lung cancer, called as a breast cancer here. So such a diseases, they are the non-communicable diseases. Cancer which cannot spread to a that is infected person to a healthy person, they cannot spread here, just only they are going to be caused by the agents, by the that is a malfunctioning of a body parts. So because of which they are classified as in the form of a deficiency disease, organic disease, allergy disease, addiction disease, mental disorder, and that is the cancerous diseases here. So these are, we call it as a non-infectious disease here. Okay, so that is the brief introductions to an that is diseases, type of a diseases called as a congenital diseases and that is the acquired diseases here. In the congenital diseases we have seen that is they are the hereditary disease, they are the genetic diseases, or the diseases which are maybe the environmental substances or the factors here. Whereas here in these acquired diseases, the communicable disease, non-communicable disease, communicable disease are the contagious and the non-contagious diseases here. Okay, so how they are going to spread with the that is the substance or the structures here. So that we have seen. And non-communicable diseases are, that is these diseases which cannot spread but they are going to be caused by the agents present in the environment or in the dysfunctioning of a body parts or in the deficiency of a substance in the body which perform the metabolic function and the physiological role here. So I hope that this is a brief introductions to the topic, as it is also present in the NCERT. So it is very important for the NEET exam. So be clear to these points, and next we are going to see the another point here. Thank you.